6 things as a money protection attorney I would never do. Thing number 1, I would never leave anything to my kids when I die. Instead, I would leave everything to a trust where my kids are named as the beneficiaries on that trust. Thing number 2, I would never name my minor children as the beneficiaries of my life insurance accounts. Instead, I would set up a living trust and designate my trust as the beneficiaries of my life insurance accounts, and then name my minor children as the beneficiaries of my living trust. Thing number 3, I would never add my children's names to my home to get around Medicaid recovery. Instead, I would put my home in a Medicaid asset protection trust and name my kids as the beneficiaries of that trust. Thing number 4, I would never add my children's names to my bank accounts. Instead, I would set up a revocable living trust and put my bank account in that revocable living trust and name my children as the beneficiaries of that revocable living trust. Thing number 5, I would never add my children's name to my deed of my primary residence as a way to avoid probate court. Instead, I would put my primary residence into a revocable living trust and name my children as the beneficiaries of that revocable living trust. And thing number 6, I would never let my kids go through probate court. Instead, I would set up a living trust which avoids probate court so they don't have to spend unnecessary time, energy, and money going to court to own the assets that I want them to inherit.